Guys, we are planning a buy on Nifty and this will be the entry and the stop. Now stop will be changing based on the structure we have here, but this is the entry for this script and I'll be updating you since this is an intraday trade. Guys, this is the replaced of the stop and this is the target for this trade, almost 1:2. Now this targets I might change based on the things I see over there. Definitely I'm gonna change them in our direction since this is an intraday trade, so we'll see how this trade goes along. Guys, this is the optional update. If you guys want to take two targets, I like this thing going up, so we can take two targets. One is here. I will be sending you the message about the second target. So let's keep this trade that way because I like the structure. It's more convincing to the upside, so we'll see. Guys, next update in the trade, the target is achieved. So as we discussed, we booked our half of the quantity this time and I'll be updating you with the second target. So let's see what happens on that one. I'll see you soon, guys. Guys, this is the next update with the next target, and this target I don't think this will be coming today, but technically as per the analysis this should be the second target and that's why I'm keeping it. So we never know how much we can get out from the market. I'll be updating you soon as I see something on this trade. Guys, this is the next update in the trade. We have to come break even on our half of the quantity and we also have to close our positional trade. So I'll be updating you once I find any other good trade in the market.